Hello, my name is Joe, and welcome to AICHIE, a professional wire harness manufacturer with over 11 years of experience. And let me show you our factory. First, you can see our engineering team provide customers solution from driving design to process optimization. Every harness is produced through automotive and standard process to ensure precision and efficiency. All our products undergo 100% electrical testing and visual inspection before shipment. From production to package, we focus on every detail to ensure on-time delivery and quality assurance. And you see, this is our AICHIE, your trusted wire harness partner, and we're looking forward to working with you. Thank you.